So today I'm winter sowing basil, sweet Genovese basil. And I get questions of how many seeds do I sow? How many basil seeds do I put in a jug? I use all water jug, mostly water jugs, 1 gallon jugs, but you can grow basil in a liter, a half gallon, or a big gallon like this, or even a 2-gallon vinegar jug, or a big snack tub like from Sam's Club, the pretzel tubs. You can do winter sowing in any size big jug like that. So there's 2 ways you can grow basil, at least how I delineate it, is you can grow basil plants, individual plants like what you see in the picture right here, that can grow 2 feet tall or more, and you'll have just nice bushy big bunches of basil all summer long. Or you can grow like little baby basil, which I really like. And I only have 1 jug left. I'm mass producing today. I just finished 25 jugs. This is my last one for the day. So I can't show you both, but I'll just describe it. If I was going to do this today, I'm going to do the baby basil. Like, they're kind of like microgreens, and you'll just get like little teeny sprouts, maybe this big, and then you just cut them, and the taste is unbelievable. It's way stronger than this basil, which is even going to be strong. But baby greens, now this isn't growing microgreens. You do those indoors, and that's a different procedure, but they're like little microgreens, super jam-packed flavor, and you can just cut off the little tops of the babies. So that's what I'm going to do in this one today. I'm just going to sprinkle basil seeds because I have a big pack here, and I have a lot of seeds I've saved myself over the years. So I have a ton of basil seeds right now. So I've got the seeds to use. So I'm going to just like cover this with basil. And then light dusting of soil over. Oh, and after the soil is really wet, let me backtrack. The soil is already soaking, almost dripping wet, but very wet. Then I sprinkle the seeds all over, and I've got my spray bottle here, and I will spray the seeds after I've sprinkled them. Then I'll take a little bit of soil. I got my potting mix right here, and I'll just dust it. Don't sow your seeds deeply. Sow them shallowly, no matter what the seed packet says. Just ignore the seed packet. So you want them shallow, and then you put your dusting of soil over, and then spray again. Okay, spray until it's very wet. And then you just close up, tape up your jug, tape it all the way around so you get your good greenhouse effect and your moisture inside and your condensation, and you plop it out in the sun. Or if you're in a hot desert like I am now out in Southern California, I'm going to plop it in the shade, and I'm going to be watering it every day. Winter sowers in the cold country, they don't need to water every day. When I was back in the northeastern Ohio with the snow and the cold, I maybe watered twice a season. The rain and the snow kept them very wet. So that's how I do basil. Mostly I don't do it like I'm doing it today. Mostly I would do probably 6 seedlings in here. I would just do 6 whole, 2, 2, and 2. I could even get away with 9, but 6 seedlings in here. I don't want to get that packet wet. And then I would grow, pretty tall seedlings, and I'd transplant them out, and those are the ones that would grow 2 feet tall. The little baby ones that I'm going to sprinkle today, they'll grow tall too, but I'm not using them that way. I want to have seedlings, little microgreens right away, so I'll cut the tops off and just enjoy that flavor in my salads and sandwiches. Just a little bit's all you need. You really get that strong hit. So that's how many seeds I would do. Either broadcast them for microgreens, or maybe 4 to 5 seed holes, and maybe 2 or 3 seeds in each hole, just to hedge your bets, and cover them lightly, spray, and you are good to go. Basil and pesto is on the horizon. Thanks for joining me. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Sending you much love from my garden and my winter sowing table to you. Bye-bye.